to New Zealand and Great Britain. Captains exchanging gifts. Christensen and Duo had the pleasure of Christensen with a massive cheer. He's a big body, can generate a lot of volume. Ready to go here, ladies and gentlemen. Pretty easy win there by Torresland. I was just saying before, I got to commentate the senior men's game, Portugal versus Chinese Taipei, where Portugal pulled one out of the bag with 4 seconds to go to take the win. It was a goal-for-goal game, super exciting. Meanwhile, Christensen driving down the left. Feet inside. Nothing there, well defended. Jensen kicked that out. Torresland. Christensen, Willemsen. Shot there by Torresland. Torresland scores that, starts the scoring off of this match. 1-0 now to Denmark. Dale on now. Push here. Polchinski on Marks. Damash to Huzhou. Huzhou crashes in. Duo tells him to take it back out. Good leadership by the captain there. 15 seconds on the shot clock, paddle foul. Came chopping down. No warning given, but a fresh shot clock for Portuguese. Oh, that was Jensen, got a paddle to it. Disrupted the play. Good job here by the Danish under-21 men, effecting a good steal here. Up to Dale. Dale now. Here's a big shot by Polchinski, blocked out by Vieno or Huzhou. Not sure which one it was. Simpson, oh, he's unlucky. Unlucky not to bar in on that stage. That did hit the inside of the bar, I think, but just pinged right back out. Oh, it's a game of millimeters at times. 2 or 3 millimeters more to the left. I think that would have pinged in instead of pinging out. Hurish piling into the Danish defense with his captain Duo, sending 2 players in. Meanwhile, the referees instructing the player to take it from the sideline because it did bounce out of bounds on the sideline, didn't go off the baseline, so it must be taken from the point of exit off the pitch. Danish men here playing a tight 1-2-2 defense. They're big and strong. They're big, strong lads, so that will be a tough defense to break down. Duo working against Dale and Willemsen. Here's Portugal's drive. The keeper, Jose, set that high. Willemsen checking for options, nothing there. Sørensen was up the court, but he was marked. Almost 3 minutes gone, and Denmark are 1-0. Christensen, the Danish captain, floater over here to Willemsen. Willemsen's been a really dangerous weapon for Denmark, has scored quite a few goals in the games I've been able to catch. Sørensen has Duo pinned wide and low for Christensen. Duo recovers. Good defense there by Dimash. And a little lean there by Marks on Torresland. Christensen gets his big body moving. Willemsen into Torresland. Torresland finishes, sliding through the gap. That's his second goal for Denmark, second goal for Torresland. Make the rest of this pool very interesting, with wins already to Poland and Germany. Oh, ball's loose. Touched. No shot clock reset, 30 seconds now. Keeler now on. Keeler playing top on the left here. Wind's picking up a little bit. 5 on the shot clock. Shots coming here. Nice work by Huzhou. Get a shot up that needed to be blocked out. Went out for a corner, and another 60 seconds for Portugal men to get on the board. Just turn down the on-court mic a little bit so you don't get too much wind noise. You'll lose a little bit of the action. Shot here, blocked. Great work by Sørensen. And Keeler away. They won't catch him, he just needs to finish. Very good break, composure by Keeler. Massive chase back by Marks. Chased him down the length of the court. If he had another 5 meters, he might have got him. Oh, Duo smashing into the defense, over boats, under boats. Great boat control, great power and aggression. One of the things I love to see in polo is that controlled, hard boat contact, jostling. So good to see. So much effort needs to be put in to throw your boat around like that. 20 seconds on the shot clock. Giel dribbles from point. Marks shoots, blocked by Willemsen. Now Dale has it, up to Christensen. Christensen has Willemsen. Willemsen will be dangerous here. We have a 3-on-2 opportunity. Willemsen. This young man knows how to score goals and scores them well and often. Great block there. That's a good case of really good defense, turning into quick, easy goals down the other end. This Danish team looking very strong, very dangerous. Willemsen blocks it, steals, dribbles, getting tied up here though. Maintains the ball. Does well not to cause a paddle foul. Here's trouble again. Jørgensen this time on the board. All done really by the great work of Willemsen, who stole it, almost had the ball taken off him, had to scoop it over the boat of Damash. Did so legally, keeping the ball, that paddle out of hand's reach. Oh, we've got a little timeout. It looks like Jose has picked up some sort of injury. A cut to his face. It looks like he's bleeding quite badly. I've got a bit of sun in my face. He does look to be okay despite the claret pouring from his forehead. What happened? Whoa, his forehead's as red as his life jacket, and I think you can see the blood, yeah, on his white rash guard, and just washes it off with this water here. I guess that's good. Might need to get some first aid onto that. Timeout. Should be able to reset though. Portugal back to 5. Jose doesn't look to be permanently injured, but I do wonder if they need to do a concussion protocol test on him. Looks like one of the Danish supporters, a cameraman, has come over with a first aid kit. Or is he just there taking, I think he's just there taking pictures. That was a nice thought. Anyway, Portugal on the drive. Can they do it for their keeper? Hurish working against Willemsen. Portugal now, 25 seconds on the shot clock, start their drive. Little wraparound, long wide pass. This was a set play here to Duo, but the pass from Damash doesn't connect. And Polchinski picks it up. Finds Dale. Dale up to Christensen. Christensen here with Willemsen. Killer and Polchinski inside the defense. Here's Dale. The young man had a couple years in New Zealand and played some excellent canoe polo there. Dale. Back to Willemsen. Christensen. Controls it off his blade nicely. It's nice soft hands for the big man. Dale now with 15 on the shot clock. They needed to get a shot here. A low angle shot might be good to get the reset. Willemsen, 5 on the shot clock. Shot needed. Here's Willemsen will shoot. Block there onto the water. Picked up by Polchinski. And that's halftime, ladies and gentlemen. Danish going into the half with a pretty commanding lead, 5-0. We'll take a little break here and get back to you soon. Cheer goes up again for Denmark, ready to start this second half. Refs instructing the teams to line up. Score 5-0 to Denmark here at halftime against Portugal in under 21 men's group. This is the top pool, Group UO. So far in this pool, the Danish men have had a 2-all draw with Great Britain and a 6-2 win with Belgium. Portugal, on the other hand, 2 losses, 1-3 to New Zealand and 3-8 to Great Britain. So not too surprising maybe that Denmark are up, but anything can happen. Canoe Polo, 10 minutes of action coming your way. Starting there with a great charge start and a push, well controlled by Sørensen. Big push here by Christensen, making space. There's a lane there on the inside of Christensen, but it closes up. Here's Torsland. Torsland shoots and scores for his 3rd goal of the match. Hat trick to Torsland. Danish defense sticking with the 1-2-2, a little bit looser at the moment. They may close it up as the Portuguese men come in. Duo, the captain, there. Jose now back on the pitch. He had the cut on his forehead in the first half. High ball here to Duo. Duo back to Jose. Marks is on the inside. Can they use him to effect, to create opportunities? Little push pass here to Dimash. Dimash needs to shoot. It was 5 seconds on the shot clock. Loose ball, paddles there. Play on. Duo, sensible option by the captain. What will Portugal have to do to crack this tough Danish defense? Sticking with the same tactic. 1 in, 4 out. Drives coming from the sideline 6s and 2 split points. Sort of a rainbow formation backline. 30 seconds on the shot clock. 2.5 minutes gone in the second half, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the drive now with 20 on the shot clock. Jose has a little bit of space to operate here. Has a player inside as well. Jose had Marks elected to shoot himself, which wasn't a bad option. Out for a corner, blocked out by Denmark. Portuguese under 21 men looking a lot more aggressive and dangerous on that last set. Jose, the ball on his boat, dribbles. Oh, big tackle there. Lost control. That was a big hit by Jørgensen. Knocked the ball free. And we've got a 4-on-2 situation here. 3-on-2. Can't count. Christensen here with Sørensen. Sørensen has to watch the keeper. Sørensen hit the keeper. A little bit shocked by it, but yeah. Giel had placed himself right on the keeper. There wasn't any other option for the referee to call. Smart defensive play by Giel. And we have a warning against number 8 for holding. I'm not sure which team that was for. I assume Denmark. Both 8s are on the pitch. I didn't see that foul. Danish defense, the top 2 holding wide until the drive comes down the middle, then they'll squeeze in on them. Marking the outside drivers. Now they'll come forward into the middle of the zone. That does leave Marks open on the outside for a shot, blocked out for a corner. Game slipping out of the reach of the Portuguese now with only 5 minutes to go in the second half. This group stage points difference still important for final placings, so Portuguese maybe not looking to really push the envelope here, push too hard, just keep it safe and chalk this one up as a loss and look to do better in some of their later stage games. Jose, a little paddle flick to himself, and then another. Comes a nice little cross drive. Oh, nice little feed in by Duo. Duo through to, that was number 9, Giel. Had a pretty good look. Took all the heat off the ball and tried to float it in over the goalie's paddle, but just off the top bar, unfortunately. Not a bad option. Oh, great feed by Jose. Jose just threaded the needle. Put that ball through the tightest of spaces to his captain, Duo. Duo shakes it off. Not happy with his shot. He's trying to get around the paddle and flick it in, but the flick, I think, from the wrist wasn't there. Just ended up sending that ball quite wide. Unfortunate for Portuguese under 21 men. Dale dribbles. Here's Willemsen. Oh, he's a good shot. Just steams down the middle. Just too much power on the shot, and the defenders or goalies just can't react quickly enough. The pace Willemsen is putting on that ball, so good. (7-0) now. Yep, game's pretty much decided now if it wasn't before. To the last 4 minutes. Portugal just working their structure, getting some practice in for other games later in the tournament. Oh, there's a slightly loose ball, but was gathered by Damash. Block there, gathered by Killer. Killer, good. Here's the press now from Portugal, but dare say it's a little late. 3 minutes left to claw back 7 goals. Good ball movement here by the Danish men. Christensen just pops that back out to Jørgensen. One thing I haven't heard from the Danish supporters compared to the Saint-Omer World Champs is the "lo lo lo" chant. I've been missing that. Here's Willemsen. Willemsen blocked that time. Nicely done by Villeno, pardon me. Villeno blocks a really nice shot there. Oh, Christensen, a little untidy. But he's got the control of the ball. Oh, just flicks it out of the back of his hand. Jensen was with him. Now Willemsen. Willemsen coming into the defense. Oh, another good save there. Another good save. Pushing goalie. Villeno does really well. Blocking 3 shots in quick succession. Looks like the Danish men are going to press. Now possibly also thinking about goal difference. Nice pass there by Duo to Giel behind the back of Willemsen. Long ball here. So the 2 goalies going at it. Oh. Leaning by Huzhou. Christensen just waiting for the call. Huzhou doing just enough legally to slow that ball down. One minute left to go. We have about a 10-second shot clock differential. Danish men just taking all the energy out of the game right now. Just don't need to push too hard now. Another goal would be nice. We might see them lift the energies levels up in the last 10 seconds. Don't want to give Portugal an opportunity for a fast break. Smart play. Willemsen tries to feed inside. Blocked here. Oh, here's Portugal's chance with 17 seconds. Damash dribbles. Great effort, hustle by Damash to get up the court, and nice chase back as well by 3 of the Dutch players, not to give up on the play, even though they're up 7-1 now. Great work by them, showing the commitment to the team. Polchinski, Willemsen, blocked there by Huzhou. That'll do us, ladies and gentlemen. Convincing 7-1 win over Denmark over Portugal. Goals coming to 3 to Torsland, 2 to Willemsen. Killer got 1, Jørgensen got 1, and for Portugal, Damash got that late fast break goal. Been a pleasure bringing you